Well, just you can see, we just now, as you can see this morning, we've only seen the first aircraft. As you can see, that was the Bell 206 Jet Ranger that we've just seen come over this morning anyway. Which, technically, this is the Bell 206 Jet Ranger 2 we've just seen come over this morning anyway. Which, this is the one we saw this week anyway. So, technically, this is the one that we just saw from this week anyway. So, as you can see, the registration as we've just seen today is G-BZNI, apparently. So, yeah, technically, this is the registration is what we saw over the last, well, especially over this week ago, especially over Bank Holiday, was the one we saw anyway. So, yeah. So, just you can see, we've just seen the Bell 206 Jet Ranger once again, apparently, though. So, yeah. I think, to be fair, this is probably the fourth time we've seen the Bell 206 Jet Ranger this year, apparently. I think this is the fourth time, but... yeah, to be fair, this is the fourth time we ever... oh my god. Sorry about that, it's just, you know, my sister kept following me around and all that. Just a bit annoying. Anyway, so just to see though, that's the Bell 206 we've just seen anyway. So yeah, I think this is the fourth time that we've seen the Bell 206 Jet Ranger from this year, apparently. So yeah, apparently from this year, this is the fourth time we've seen the Bell 206 this year anyway, especially with the registration G-BZNI, apparently. So yeah. But anyway, just you can see, he just took off from his base just over at Wheelrose today. Apparently, it just took off from his usual spot just over at Wheelrose anyway, near Scoria. As you can see, the time it took off was around 10:57 AM anyway. So technically, at 10:52, he would have been starting up his engine anyway, his Turbine engine anyway. So yeah, he would have been starting up his engine anyway. So as you can see, just from here today, he literally just flew just over on the northwest to start with anyway. And technically, just you see, he then flew past just over on the west coast of Cornwall anyway. As you can see, he flew past Penzance, and then just from where he started flying over the coast, he then flew past Malazine. And then just from here, he then flew past over the south anyway. So he came into south anyway. But as you can see, like this time though, he literally came even closer to what he was like the other time anyway. So yeah, he came even closer to what he was the other time anyway. So yeah, this time I think it looks like because of this time, he came flying even closer to just near my house this time anyway. Well, pretty much nearer to my house anyway this time. You know, pretty much even closer to where he was the other time anyway. Because over the Bank Holiday, he was flying over the distance anyway. Now, because of this time, he came flying even closer anyway, but a bit more closer than that anyway. So anyway, just you can see, he flew in here just to about where we saw it coming. He was about 1,500 feet anyway, so technically he was about 1,500 feet anyway. And then just from there, he would then drop down a little bit to about 1,400 feet to 1,300 feet anyway. And then by the time though, when it got to my there, he dropped down to about 12,000 feet anyway. So yeah, so technically he dropped down a feet at the time anyway. So yeah, but anyway, by the looks of it, he's probably now heading back to his base just over at Wheelrose anyway. So yeah, he's now heading back to his spot just over at Wheelrose now anyway. So yeah, which is now on his way back there anyway. Now heading back to Wheelrose, I believe. So yeah. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.